Good morning. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Good morning, everybody. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Just another normal day today. Got to take Deanie to school. Yeah. It was a long night last night. Our doggy had an accident, so we were cleaning up doggy poop all morning. And I don't just mean like morning, I mean like early morning. Because I stepped in it when I went to get this guy out of bed. Awesome! Huh. There's Allie. She's got a green shirt on. And there's Dean, and his shirt's brown, but it's got green numbers on it. They have St. Patrick's Day shirts, but they got really messy the other day when we were supposed to go to the parade. And so now they can't wear them today because they didn't get washed because I'm behind on laundry, and we were busy all day. So, yeah, now we're just getting ready to take Deanie to school. He's finishing up eating some food, so they're eating like chips and had a sandwich and stuff. And there's Indy, poor little Indy, not feeling well today. And Allie. And Deanie had a potty accident last night too while he was sleeping because at night he still wears pull-ups and Mommy forgot to put his pull-up on him. So we had to clean sheets last night at midnight, which was fun also. So, yeah, here's to me not being tired today. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so let's start our day. Hey, Yankee boy. What you doing? Once again, we're in the car getting car footage because we had to take Dean to school. And the kids like to dig through all of my compartments I have and pull stuff out. Don't hit. Not nice. What's your name? What's his name? That's Mommy's name.
Mommy's name.
Do you know Mommy's name?
Mommy is a husband.
Oh, Dean knows. Mommy, Mommy, Mommy. That's Mommy's name, right?
Mom?
Yeah.
Name.
Yeah, Mommy's name. What kind of shoes you have on? Look. That's right. My daughter's cool. She wears some Chucks. Converse, Chucks, whatever you want to call them.
Look, my shirt.
What's your shirt? It's Yankees? Is that your jacket? What's on there? Butterfly! So, Dean, this is your last week of school before spring break. Are you excited? You're going to have a whole week off of school next week. You excited? Camera hog. You're a camera hog. Just trying to hug the camera. Hey, camera hog. What do you got up there? What is that? Starbucks gift card holder? What else you have? A straw wrapper? What's that? A truck. And some broken sunglasses. Sweet. Awesome. Awesome blossom. Excuse me, everybody. Oof, didn't mean to burp. What? Should we see what Brendan's doing? Oh, Brendan's got the sun in his eyes. There we go.
I'm over there.
He's pushing my hand. Car seat.
Hey, Mommy. Mommy, look at me.
Whoa, cool dude.
Hey, my husband my glasses up.
I see your glasses.
Look at me.
Are you just a cool dude?
Mommy.
What?
Look at me. My broken my glasses. My eyes are broken. Look.
So this is a lot of the footage that you guys are gonna get because 4 out of 5 days a week I take Dean to school. So we're in the car and then I go home, put Allie down for a nap, do what I need to do around the house, and then come back and pick Dean up. So that's a lot of what the footage is.
Mommy.
But they're cute. You don't mind seeing the cute kids. What are you doing with that straw wrapper?
I broke this.
You broke it. Can we see your owie? Right there. Oh. What happened?
I just bite my hand.
Allie did not bite your hand.
This is the ouchie. I didn't bite.
Allie did not bite your hand. Don't listen to him. Allie didn't bite his hand.
I didn't bite my hand.
Every time he has an owie, he says Allie bites his hand. I think he scraped it underneath the coffee table.
Hey, I didn't bite it with my. I didn't bite. I didn't.
I'm sure she did. I'm sure she
I did-
just bites you all the time. Whoops!
I just sucked.
Allie fell. Hey, you okay? Hey, you alright?
They're gonna be sucking out all the time.
Just picked up Dean from school, and he is kind of a tired boy. He's falling asleep in the car. And it is very, very windy today. You can see the dust storm. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind hitting my car, but it is pretty crazy. What I wanted to show you, this is what I wanted to show you guys, the tumbleweeds just blowing through here are crazy. It's almost like a animal migrating across the road. Like, it is just a little ridiculous. There are tons and tons and tons of tumbleweeds. It's very warm out today, but it's very, very, very windy.
She showed me all what she did in it.
Show Mommy what you did.
I know much.
Let's see.
I know much in here.
In here in the bathroom. Let's see. What's in here?
Much.
Marks, what did you do?
A mouse over there. A mouse over here too.
Oh, over here? Oh yeah, I see all that. Where else?
And right
Oh, right there.
here. What? There.
Where else did
Over
you?
here.
Oh, over there. Where else?
And the bed.
Show me.
Over here.
Over here, and this one's some light.
Behind the door.
There. Oh, over here. Oh, look, behind the door, and look, it goes all the way down the wall to the desk. Oh, and then let's look over here on this side.
That one.
Right here. And then all down that wall right there. Right there.
Right
Right there. Oh, right there. What a pretty picture you drew.
And over there.
So this happened last night. She got a hold of a colored pencil and she colored all over the wall. This is the worst spot. All down the thing. So I thought they were all put away, and Dean came to me last night and said, "Mommy, Allie, draw a picture." And I was like, "I draw a picture?" And he goes, "Yeah, on the wall." And sure enough, little Missy, who was in deep trouble last night and got spankings and everything,
Floppy.
made a beautiful drawing on the wall.
I want to go in.
And yes, I do spank my children when they need it. And she knows that she is not supposed to draw on the wall. So yes, she did get a little bit of a spanking. And if that makes me a bad parent, then so be it. But my kids get spankings when they don't do what they know they're not supposed to be doing. So that's what happened last night. And today's been kind of just a basic boring day. So I'm gonna just end the vlog and I will see you all tomorrow. Later.